How to change a TikTok reason, country, location. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change the reason, country, or location of your TikTok. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. And also make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon because that is going to be really helpful to me. So first of all, open your TikTok app and make sure you have an updated version. First of all, if you don't have, you may just go to the Google Play Store and look for any updates. If any update is available, you may just simply download the updated version of the TikTok. After that, you just need to simply log into your account and open up your TikTok. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So what you're going to do is simply navigate to your profile here at the bottom. You'll be able to see profile option very easily. After that, I just want you to head over to the menu bar at the top right. After that, simply go to the settings and privacy, and here you should be able to see this account section. So here, I just want you to navigate to your account here after getting here and navigate to your account information. So what you're going to see here is an option called account reason. You just need to simply tap on it. By default, it will be set into the country that you are right now. But if you want to change it, you may just go here and change it into any country you want. After changing it, you may just get back. And if you want to change the feed automatically, what you can do is simply scroll down until you will be able to see content preferences. After that, simply tap on it. You can see this refresh your For You feed. Simply tap on it, tap on continue after changing your reason or country and refresh, and then your feed will be refreshed. You may just select one or more reasons or not select and get back, and you should be able to see your home page getting refreshed and filled with contents of the country that you just chose. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to change your country, reason, or location on your TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.